I'm Amanda Jones. I own and operate a land surveying company here in San Diego, licensed in California, Oregon, and Arizona, and been doing this for about 20 years. I run a lot of field crews here, and the field crews have to spend a lot of time collecting really complex data in the field, highly detailed projects like urban environments or really complex power line projects. And that takes a lot of time and effort, a lot of hours out in the field. So there's basically about two problems that we're looking to solve here. One is that a lot of go back work. There's a lot of details for the field crews to capture, and sometimes they miss those. And you have to go back, and it's very expensive. There's also times where it's just not very safe for a field crew to be on a really busy road trying to collect very detailed data. So we were looking for a solution in order to capture all of the details all at one time. And I'd been really struggling with different tech to try to solve the problems that I mentioned before, where we were trying to capture a lot of data, highly detailed data, and I was really tired of using like 5 different programs to do it and some very, very expensive, very technically difficult pieces of field equipment to capture that same data. So got a little frustrated with that, and I was like, well, let's try some new experimental tech. It's got to be better than this, and started working with these guys and really got to try it out from the very beginning and see all the different tests that we could put it through and everything that we could see where it would work and where it struggled, and to watch it to get better through the years as well. So we use the Looq platform to capture a big city block recently in a very urban area, in a downtown area that had a lot of really intricate details. It was for a design. They were going to do some rehab work on the block and had to completely redesign all of the, from the building facade to the steps to the concrete, sidewalk, all of that. And it was a very difficult area for field crews to be without blocking a bunch of traffic, and it was a little bit dangerous due to the traffic. So we used the Looq platform to capture and then process all of the data. So it just took us a couple of hours, to walk around and capture the data, and then to use the platform to process it was quick. So using the Looq platform to process the data that we capture was actually my favorite part of working with it. The data that usually, if you collect it in different means or with different pieces of tech or field equipment, usually can take like 4 to 6 different pieces of software. All of those are licensed. You have to be trained, or you have to train your staff how to use each of those. And so this was a one-stop shop. I could get all of the data with one upload. This is kind of like, oh, this is a game changer.